Hello dear students, this is the second video of this week, class 6th, and in this week we will discuss a lots of topic which is related to online shopping. We have in the last class we have discussed about online shopping and podcasting, e-commerce, types of e-commerce, advantage of online shopping, disadvantage of online shopping, and shopping on the web. I have also discussed about some of the important things like e-commerce. That is, e-commerce means electronic commerce. It is the buying and selling of goods and services or the transmitting of funds or data over an electronic network. Primarily the internet. Electronic network means on internet. And we have also discussed the four types of business. You can see I have also discussed about Amazon and Flipkart, that these are the online shopping apps which is used for buying the products online. Now, this is the last video of this chapter, chapter number 10, and you will learn many things. First topic is different online modes of payment. Second is introduction to Google Drive. Third one, opening and uploading files on Google Drive. And fourth, we will discuss about sharing of files on Google Drive. So let us come to the first topic, different online modes of payment. As we know that there are many different online modes of payment. First one is net banking. Second one is debit card. Third one is credit card. And fourth one is electronic wallet. So let us come to the net banking. What is net banking? It is the facility which is given by the bank so that you can make transactions over the internet. You have user ID and password given by the bank, and you can use that user ID and password for transaction of your bank accounts. It is an e-payment option where the financial transaction is carried out from a bank website. You need to have an account with the bank and you should be registered for the online banking facility. So many people are very familiar with the net banking. Now it has changed. Net banking is also there and we are using mobile banking. Mobile banking is much safer than net banking. In mobile banking, there is an app installed on the mobile. Okay. And that app is related to mobile banking. You can log into the app and you can have transactions on bank account. Now, next one is debit card. What is the debit card? You can see the picture of a debit card. It is also given in your book in page number 121. I hope you must have seen a debit card. A debit card is a payment card that deducts money directly from a consumer's checking account to pay for a purchase. It means the money is deducted from your bank account directly whenever you have shopping, or suppose you want to book a ticket, railway ticket or movie ticket. So, or you suppose you have purchased something, so you can use your debit card for making the transactions and the money will be deducted directly from your account. So you can say it is a plastic card that is used in place of a physical currency to make payments. You don't have to carry money. You can carry this plastic card. You can carry this ATM card for transaction of payments, for making payments. And you can use this card to make payments online as well as at a store. When making payments online, you have to fill your card details in the prescribed column and complete the transactions. Suppose you are using Paytm or you are using some UPI. So there your debit card details is required. You have to fill up the details, like you can see this 16-digit PIN which is written at the front of your debit card. You have to enter this 16-digit PIN or whatever is required. You have to enter it, and then money will be transacted. Money will be deducted from your account. Next, you can see next one is credit card. The credit card is very similar to the debit card. Okay, it is very similar to the debit card, and it is also a plastic card which allows you to shop online or in a store. You can use credit card also. The only difference is that the money paid by the bank on the customer's behalf, means the customer has a time period of 20 to 25 days to pay back the money to the bank. Means you are crediting the money. The card is very similar to debit card. Okay, but you can make the transaction to the bank. You can make the transaction. Suppose you have purchased something and you want to make the transaction and there is no money in your account. You can use credit card for making the transactions, but you have to pay the money to the bank within 20 to 25 days. Now, last one is the electronic wallet. What do you mean by electronic wallet? You must have listened about Paytm or some types of app like Airtel Money app. Okay, so it allows the customer to make online transactions through a computer or a smartphone. The e-wallet is linked to the user's bank account, and it is used as a prepaid account to make the regular payments such as mobile or telephone bills. You can also pay electricity bills, etc. So electronic wallet is also very useful. It can be also connected to the bank account. Suppose you are using Paytm or Airtel Money, you can install Paytm app or Airtel Money app in your mobile, and you can have transactions from your bank account. Okay, and it is also called digital wallet. Electronic wallet is also known as digital wallet. And some of the popular applications that provide digital wallets are Paytm, MobiKwik, Airtel Money, etc. Now coming to the next topic. Next topic is related to Google Drive. So we will discuss three things inside this topic. First one is introduction to Google Drive. Then I will discuss the opening and uploading files on Google Drive. And third one, sharing a file on Google Drive, how you can share the files to other people so that they can view your file. If you have some videos or some pictures file available on your drive, then how you can share the files. So let us come to the first topic, introduction to Google Drive. It is given in your book, page number 122. A Google Drive is a free cloud service which is given by Google, where you can store up to 15 GB of files. So on the server, you will get 15 GB of space free of cost. You don't have to pay any money. and you can store photographs, you can store spreadsheets or any types of files or presentations. If you have audio file or video files or any another type of files, you can store it on Google Drive because you have 50 GB of space free of cost. So let us look how you can do that thing. For using Google Drive, you must have an Gmail account. Okay, and you have to log into the account. In your mobile phone also Google Drive is there, and already you are signed in with Google account. Already you are signed in with some Gmail account in your mobile, and that's why you can use Drive in your mobile. But in your laptop and desktop, you have to log into the Gmail account and then you can use Google Drive. So I am logging to my Gmail account. As you can see, I have logged in to the Gmail account, and now you have to click here at the right side at this icon. You have to click here, and now you can click on Drive. There are many icons like YouTube, Play, News, Gmail, Meet, Contacts. You have to click on Drive option. Now your Google Drive has opened in your system. Now what you can do, you can upload files or you can upload any type of folders which is there in your PC. I have created a lots of Google document and it is here in my drive. So how you will upload your files? First, you can create a folder. You can right click anywhere in the Google Drive and click on new folder, and you can write the names of your folder like standard 6, standard 6. Click on create button. That folder has been created. You can see this is the folder, it has been created. Now I want to add some files in it. What you will do, right click here and click on upload files, or if you want to upload folder, you will click on upload folder. So I am uploading the files. Click here and you are able to see a new dialog. This dialog window will open. You have to select the file. This is the browser window. You need to select the file. Where is your file? Now I want to put the first presentation file. I want to upload the first presentation file. Or if you want to upload more presentation files, what you will do, you will select all the files. Okay, if you want to upload only 2 files, you will select only 2 files. Okay, so suppose I am uploading only one file. Select it and click on open. You can see at the right side there is a, it is showing it is uploading, the file is uploading. Now one upload complete. You can see the message here. It is showing one upload complete. It means the file has been added. Okay, you can see the file has been added here. Now you want to add more files. Again, right click, click on upload files. You can select all the remaining 3 files. Click on open. Now wait for a few seconds. All the files will be uploaded. Now you can see, dear children, all the 4 files has been uploaded here. Now you want to share any file to your friends, or you want to share any files to your friends or relatives. Now what you can do, you can simply right click on the file and click on, you can click on get link, or you can click on share option also. Suppose you can click on get link. A link will be given to you. You can copy the link. You can see this is the link. Okay, this is the link, and you can click on copy link. Click on copy link. Click on done. And then you can share the link on WhatsApp or any another. Uh, you can send any message to your friends. You can paste the link on WhatsApp, or you can paste the link in message, and you can send the message to your friends or relatives. You can see. Suppose you can send the link on WhatsApp. You have copied the link and now you have to paste the same link. The same link will be pasted. You can send the message. Now the link has been, this is the link which has been sent with the help of WhatsApp. So you can send to your friends. Now your friends will click on this link and he will be able to open the same presentation. So this is the use of Google Drive, children. I hope you must have understood. So in the next class, we will start revision. Okay, bye students. Have a nice day.